In this video, I'll show you how to insert pictures in Microsoft Word to enhance your documents with images, photos, or graphics. Adding pictures is a great way to make your document more engaging and visually appealing. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want the picture to appear. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the window. In the Illustrations group, click on Pictures. You'll see a few options. Choose This Device to insert a picture saved on your computer, browse to the image you want, select it, and click Insert. If you want to insert an online image, select Online Pictures, then search for an image or choose one from available sources. Once the picture is inserted, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corner handles. To control how text flows around the image, click on the picture, select Layout Options, and choose the style that works best for your document. And that's it. You've successfully inserted pictures in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.